Welcome to Shadowing English. If you're ready to improve your English, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's get started. Hi! I believe most people watching this video already understand English. The problem is, they can't speak English with other people. Just spend 10 minutes a day practicing shadowing, and you'll finally feel ready to speak English in real life. Now, let's start with our first conversation.
Here's how today's lesson works. You'll hear a real conversation. Listen carefully the first time. Then, when it's your turn, say the sentence out loud with me. If you make a mistake, don't stop. Just keep speaking. Every sentence you say is one step closer to speaking English naturally. Try to copy my pronunciation. Let's start. It's Monday morning. And I'm already running late. I rush into a small coffee shop, hoping caffeine can save the day.
Morning. What can I get for you?
I'll have a large coffee, but I'd like it without sugar. I'll have a large coffee, but I'd like it without sugar. I'll have a large coffee, but I'd like it without sugar.
Sure. Hot coffee or iced coffee?
Iced. Please. And could you make it a little stronger? And could you make it a little stronger? And could you make it a little stronger?
No problem. That'll take about 3 minutes.
That's fine. I'm running a little late. But I can wait. I'm running a little late. But I can wait. I'm running a little late. But I can wait.
Actually, I made this one too strong. I'll make you a fresh one.
No worries. I appreciate you fixing it.
Here you go. This one should be just right.
Question 1. Why did Annie ask for a fresh coffee? Option A. The coffee was too strong. Option B. The coffee was too cold. Option C. She ordered tea. Option D. She forgot to pay. The correct answer is option A. A. The coffee was too strong. The barista said the first coffee was too strong, so he made a fresh one. I leave the coffee shop and get into a car. The trip starts smoothly. But after a few minutes, I notice we're going the wrong way.
Where are you headed today?
I'm going to the city center, near the big library. I'm going to the city center, near the big library. I'm going to the city center, near the big library.
Got it. I'll take the main road.
I think we might be going in the wrong direction. I think we might be going in the wrong direction. I think we might be going in the wrong direction.
Oh. You're right. I took the wrong turn.
That's okay. Is there a way to turn around? Is there a way to turn around? Is there a way to turn around?
Yes. I'll turn around at the next street.
Thanks. I have an appointment. So I just don't want to be too late.
Don't worry. We'll get there as quickly as we can.
Question 2. What problem happened during Annie's ride? Option A. The car ran out of gas. Option B. The driver took the wrong turn. Option C. Annie lost her phone. Option D. The road was closed. The correct answer is option B. The driver took the wrong turn. The driver admitted that he had taken the wrong turn and needed to turn around. I finally reach my appointment and later stop for lunch. Everything is fine until I try to pay for my food.
That'll be $12. Please.
Can I pay by card?
Yes. Just tap your card here.
It looks like my card isn't working. It looks like my card isn't working. It looks like my card isn't working.
Try it one more time. Sometimes the machine is slow.
Sure. If it doesn't work, I'll use my phone. If it doesn't work, I'll use my phone. If it doesn't work, I'll use my phone.
There we go. The payment went through this time.
Great. I was starting to worry for a second. I was starting to worry for a second. I was starting to worry for a second.
You're all set. Have a good afternoon.
Question 3. What did Annie plan to use if her card failed again? Option A. Cash. Option B. A bank check. Option C. Her phone. Option D. A friend's card. The correct answer is option C. Her phone. Annie said she would use her phone if the card did not work. After lunch, I get a message about an unexpected change at work. I walk into the office and find my manager waiting with a new plan.
Annie, we need to change the plan for this afternoon.
Okay. What needs to change?
The meeting has moved to 3. And we need the report before then.
I can finish the report. But I'll need a little more time. I'll need a little more time. I'll need a little more time.
How much time do you need?
Give me 30 minutes. And I'll have it ready. Give me 30 minutes. And I'll have it ready. Give me 30 minutes. And I'll have it ready.
That works. Just focus on the most important parts.
Got it. I'll take care of the main points first. I'll take care of the main points first. I'll take care of the main points first.
Perfect. Let me know if you run into any problems.
Question 4. What does Annie agree to finish first? Option A. The main points of the report. Option B. The next meeting. Option C. The afternoon schedule. Option D. A new presentation. The correct answer is option A. The main points of the report. Annie says she will take care of the main points first so the report can be ready on time. The workday finally ends. And I head home. Just as I reach my door, my neighbor appears with a small problem.
Annie, do you have a minute?
Sure. What's going on?
I locked myself out. And my phone is inside.
Oh no. That sounds like a tough way to end the day. That sounds like a tough way to end the day. That sounds like a tough way to end the day.
Yeah. I really didn't need this today.
Don't worry. Let's figure out what we can do. Let's figure out what we can do. Let's figure out what we can do.
Maybe I can call my brother from your phone.
Of course. You can use my phone.
Thanks. I knew asking you was a good idea.
Anytime. We'll get this sorted out. We'll get this sorted out. We'll get this sorted out.
I really appreciate it. Maybe tomorrow will be less exciting.
Great job. You just followed Annie through 5 real-life situations and practiced English for ordering, traveling, paying, working, and helping someone. You didn't need perfect English to handle these moments, you just needed to keep speaking. That's what confidence looks like. Keep practicing with shadowing English, and I'll see you in day 2.
Congratulations on finishing today's practice. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. Don't forget to drop your country flag in the comments below and subscribe so we can practice together tomorrow. See you in the next lesson.